Amapiano is the fastest growing genre in the world with multiple subgenres that resonate with different audiences and markets. In 2023 alone, the genre amassed over 1.4 billion streams on Spotify. Recent streaming data from 2024 shows a 28% increase in global listenership for Amapiano. Within sub-Saharan Africa, consumption of Amapiano saw a staggering 114% surge in 2024. Spotify data indicates over 140,000 playlists featuring the genre's name, reflecting its widespread appeal. The genre is largely a youth-driven phenomenon, with 40% of its streams coming from the 18 to 24 age group and another 22% from 25 to 29-year-olds. South Africa remains the genre's biggest consumer, but its popularity has spread significantly to other regions such as UK, France, Netherlands, Germany, US, Canada, Kenya, and Nigeria. The genre has firmly entrenched itself across Africa, Europe, America, and Asia. Digital platforms and streaming services like TikTok, Spotify, and YouTube have been game changers, enabling the genre to reach consumers across different continents directly. With Amapiano and events like Piano People and Dangi Sounds, and collaborations with international artists, it have significantly boosted Amapiano's global reach.